dear friends, how are you? I hope that you are all fine today. This is Ms. Isra Saad from Science Team at New Generation Language School. By the end of this video, students will be able to determine the concept of heat, determine the concept of temperature, determine the usage of the good and bad conductors of heat. Okay, look at this picture. Wow, amazing, it's so beautiful. Do you know that, my friend? Heat is one of the most important types of energies that has many uses in our daily life. So now, can you tell me what are the uses of heat? Yeah, excellent, I can hear you, you're amazing. Okay, so let me tell you the uses of heat. Number one, cooking. Number two, warming. Number three, drying washed clothes. And finally, heating water. Again, uses of heat are cooking, warming, drying washed clothes, heating water. Okay, excellent. So, who can tell me the uses of heat? Yeah, excellent, Ashrakat, you're amazing. Okay, after that, we are gonna talk about, or we are gonna to play a very beautiful game. We have one question. Complete. Space and space are from uses of heat, and you have 10 seconds. Quickly. Yeah, excellent, super Ali. Clap your hands for Ali, you're amazing. Excellent, Ali. Ali said warming, cooking, and heating water are from uses of heat. Excellent, Ali, you're amazing. Okay, so someone to tell me what is the meaning of heat? Okay, who can tell me what is the meaning of heat? Okay, can I help you? Okay, so heat, it's a form of energy that transfers from higher temperature object to the lower temperature object. Again, heat, it's a form of energy that transfers from the higher temperature object to the lower temperature object. Amazing. Okay, someone to read? Yeah, Jana. Okay, Jana? Amazing. Excellent, Jana. You're amazing. Okay, do you know that, my friend? We can observe the transfer of heat in many situations in our daily life as the following examples. Look at this picture. What is this? Ice. Yeah, amazing. Ice. Do you know that when you hold a piece of ice in your hand, you feel cold? Give reason why. Yeah, excellent, Asil. Clap your hands for Asil. Excellent. Excellent, Asil. Asil said because the heat transfers from the higher temperature object, this is your hand, do you know, and to the lower temperature object, the piece of ice. Yeah, excellent, Asil. Clap your hands for Asil again. You're amazing. So, when you hold a piece of ice in your hand, you feel cold. Why? Because the heat transfers from the higher temperature object, your hand, to the lower temperature object, the piece of ice. You're amazing. Okay, and the example number 2. Amazing. Okay. Yeah, excellent. This is a very hot cup of tea. Excellent, Ali. When you hold a hot cup of tea in your hand, you feel hot. Why? Give reason. Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, Rahaf. Yeah, excellent, Rahaf. Excellent, you're amazing. Rahaf said, because the heat transfers from the higher temperature object, the cup of tea, to the lower temperature object, your hand. Excellent, Rahaf. Clap your hands for Rahaf. Okay, so my friends, again, heat, it's a form of energy that transfers from the higher temperature object to the lower temperature object. And for example, when you hold a piece of ice in your hand, you feel cold. Give reason? Because the heat transfers from the higher temperature object, your hand, to the lower temperature object. And number two, when you hold a hot cup of tea in your hand, you feel hot. Give reason? Because the heat transfers from the higher temperature object, the cup of tea, to the lower temperature object, your hand. So, someone to tell me what is the meaning of temperature? Guess. Temperature. Yeah, excellent. Excellent, Muhammad. Muhammad said temperature, it's the degree. Yeah, amazing. Okay, but do you know, Muhammad, temperature, it's the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Again, temperature, it's the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Excellent, Muhammad. And do you know, Muhammad, the measuring devices of temperature are called thermometers. Thermometers. Amazing. Okay, so now let me tell you the materials are classified according to their heat conductivity into two types. Okay, the materials are classified according to their heat conductivity into two types. The first type is heat conductors. Heat conductors. Repeat after me. Heat conductors. No, raise your voice. Heat conductors. And number two, heat insulators. Heat insulators. Amazing. So, the materials are classified according to their heat conductivity into two types. Number one, heat conductors, and number two, heat insulators. So what is the difference between heat conductors and heat insulators? First, heat conductors, they are the materials that let heat flow through. Again, they are the materials that let heat flow through. Amazing. And heat insulators, they are the materials that do not let heat flow through. Again, they are the material that do not let the heat flow through. Excellent. And for examples, heat conductors, copper, aluminum, iron, and mercury. Excellent. For example, wood, glass, paper, and rubber. Amazing. So, the materials are classified according to their heat conductivity into two types. Number one, heat conductors. Number two, heat insulators. Excellent. And now it's your turn, my heroes. We have here one question. Compare between heat conductors and heat insulators. First, bring a white paper, blue pen, and answer the question. Okay? And you have 10 seconds. Start. Yeah, excellent, super. Clap your hands for Malak Ikrami. Excellent, Malak. You're amazing. Excellent, Malak. Okay. And I think that's enough for today. And thank you so much. See you later. Goodbye.